Hello friends, this is Surendra Kumar Sharma from India. I am technical architect in TA Digital. Today I am going to cover how to do automatic Sitecore image tagging using computer vision, where computer vision is a part of artificial intelligence and machine learning by using Microsoft Cognitive Services. As you know, Sitecore is a lightweight DAM system where you can upload the document and images. So it's a good for content editors to manage both the content and image from a single Sitecore platform. A content editor can search the items from from its content, but can you search the images? Maybe by using its name, you can. But as they said, an image is equivalent to thousand or more words. So searching by just name is not sufficient or is the best way. One thing everybody accept that tagging is much better way to manage and search the images. When we say tagging, so it means you can select any particular item, and when you scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will get this tagging section, and you will get all the tags here listed here where these tags are stored. So for that you have to go to the system, select the settings, buckets, and here we have the tag repository. So all these tags are reside here under this folder. So if you again expand it, so you will get the test tag. So you can manage your tag from here. But now let's suppose we want to upload the images and we want to do the tagging. So you can do the tagging manually, but I don't think it's a good way if you have a large number of images and you are going to do this tagging work manually. So how cool if this image tagging will be done automatically? Is there any way? The answer is yes. So let me show you the demo on the same. So let's suppose I have these images and let me upload the image here. So I have this image and let's try to upload it. So this is a JPG image, and once it is uploaded, then we will use this Microsoft Cognitive Services, which will give us this tagging, and we will try to set those tagging within the Sitecore. So as you see, my image is uploaded, and I got this alt tag from that services. And if I scroll down, I got all the tags as well. So let me again click on the images. Let's upload one more image here. So this is also the JPG image, and it's an image related with some drawing. So it's uploaded, and we will get a drawing of a face, and a tag is also associated with it, that's called drawing. So how internally it's happen, how internally it works? So for this, as I told you, I have used the cognitive services. For that you have to visit to the Azure portal, and under the cognitive services just select the computer vision. You can put some image URL here and you can submit it. So these services at the real time will analyze that image and will give the all the details that it will be found by using the machine learning. So right now I have selected these images, and for this image I have this description. So this is the caption that we have just set for the alt tag in Sitecore, that people waiting at a train station. And there are some tags, train, platform, station are associated with it. If I select this one, if I select this one, lion, so as you see, you are within the description, we are getting the tags as drawing, and caption as a drawing of a face. So we have said the same thing here. The benefit of this tagging work is that if you, let's suppose I am on media library, and now I want to search some image by using the tag. So I have all the tags here, and let's suppose now I click here on drawing, so I will get my lion image that we have just uploaded. So what are the different steps while you are going to implement it? So for this, you have to create the account into the Azure. Under the AI and machine learning, select the computer vision. You have to create a resource group, and we need the endpoints and the keys. Uh, in the Sitecore side, we have to add one processor for under the UI upload. So I have I have created a patch file where I have added this processor. So it will be look something like this when you see it from the show config.aspx page. And you have to create a pipeline. You have to write a code for it. So just write the code within the process method. So here there are few settings value that I'm referring in my code, like our endpoint or the URI base, your subscription key, and some few other items that I am referring into my code. So within the process method, first we will check whatever the item that is going to upload. Is it an image? So if it's a valid image, then yes, we will process it. We will call our Azure API. While you are calling the Azure API, we will specify what are our subscription key and what is the URL and what are the media item that we are just uploading it, convert it into a byte and send that byte array to your REST API, and it will return you as a JSON object. So from within this JSON object, we will we will take the caption and the tags. Once we have this caption and tags, we will associate these tags. We will create this these tags and associate those tags with this image. So we have created this image here. This is the code for the creating the tags programmatically. And at last we will update the media item with these tags. So we will update this semantic field and the alt value, and then we will end the edit of this item. Here we have the facets. You can, while searching this images by using the text, you can use these facets. So that's it. I hope you like this video and you will try to use the cognitive services and try to integrate it within the Sitecore. So thank you.